All right, guys. Hayden just got a nice walleye. Check it out. There we go. Look at that fella. Let's get that camera. Oh, wait, hold him still. He was hungry. All right, let's get Lisa. Here. All right.
I'm not making excuses. I'm just saying. Yeah. Like I got a good shot, right? Yeah.
I set you up with the best bait that we ever used, bro. Like, for sure. Yeah.
I think mine are under the deck. I got a couple under the deck.
It's okay. I'll get you some. Where? Huh?
I should have had my GoPro on.
You don't have your GoPro?
It's in the boat, right?
I don't know.
Isn't it in here? I know.
I have no idea. I put it inside the house.
Yeah, I like to
This is thanks, Dad.
he wasn't really hooked back then.
Dude, he was flopping around in that net like crazy. I thought for sure he was gonna like jump out of the net. I was like, what the fuck? You're right, dude. If we go tiger muskie fishing, we.
Oh, I just had one.
Jordan, cast right into that tree, bro.
Yeah, I felt like I picked up some bag. Oh.
Yes!
I got one! Holy shit!
Yes!
What do I do?
Just reel him in a little bit more.
Let's go!
Yeah! Woo!
Shut the fuck up. Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. And that's a good smallmouth right there too.
Put it on my Snapchat. 70.
Here, I got you.
Yes! No, I can't hold it.
What's your password?
6644. You want it back in? Or no, it's straight down the middle place. What the fuck? Yeah, so good. I don't know how to hold fish.
Straight down the middle twice?
Yeah, like 258. 258.
Okay.
Yeah, dude.
All right.
Look at his things all fucked up. Shit.
We got it.
Woo! I'm not confident to hold this fish, but I got him.
Heck yeah, look at it.
Yes.
There we go.
Smallest one of the day, of course. That's it.
Here you go.
What did I do? You could
Did you hold it? Yeah, hold him by his
You
lips.
gonna bite me?
No.
He has no.
There's no teeth.
on him. So what do I do? Just right by the lip.
Just grab him.
Just grab him.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Here, watch. I'll do it for you. You can just go like that.
Okay.
Go ahead and grab. It's just sandpaper.
It's like sandpaper fish.
There you go.
Okay, give me a picture real fast.
Okay. I'm gonna save this one. You want me to send it on story or what?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. There you go. Hold it towards the camera so it looks bigger.
Okay. Tricks.
There you go.
Okay, now what?
That's it. We
Just
got
throw him
it.
back in?
Yep.
Just throw him back in.
Yep.
Fucker!
Here you go. I don't know what you want to send that one to.
Okay.
It's right there.
Let's catch those ducks.
Hell yeah.
Next fish, like. Fish. Fish.
To the net. Yeah, baby.
Two fish.
There we go. 2 smallmouth for the day.
Oh.
There we go.
It's a better one. Yeah.
Heck yeah.
All right.
Let's get it on video.
I know. I already did.
Sweet.
Just had to fix the motor. There we go. Fish number 2, baby.
Let's go. I'm catching up.
Hell yeah.
Catching up, baby.
All right.
Now we got to tie up picture and stuff. We can get a picture for me.
Yeah, I can do a picture. Release footage.
I mean, you guys got to figure this shit out. I
Here.
don't know how to do this shit. There you go.
There we go. All right, guys. We're gonna release this bad boy. Oh shit. Going into some trees. That's what I get for not paying attention. Releasing fish and shit. Yeah, buddy. That's awesome. Yeah, but I'm going to no, I'm not brush hogging it. I just feel like this is not really getting their attention with only being like an inch long. You know what I mean? Look at that. I mean, it looks good.
Yeah, it would, dude. That'd get their attention. Looks like a trailer, though, for sure. Like something you put on the end of your jig.
I know, I just feel like I should put on the other one. Hell yeah, Jordan. That's fucking awesome.
Look, there's a rock. Can't wait to get the trench hogs.
I think I'm gonna try the blue bandito. It's like blue and green. Think that's a good color?
Yeah.
It looks similar to like our watermelon, but with blue flakes.
Black and blue's always good.
Oh, that looks good, dude. Holy.
Let me smell that. Oh my god.
Guggen baits. I tell you what, you have the best smelling baits around. I would eat it myself.
It's like black liquid.
Maybe I'll put one in a smoothie one day. There we go.
Oh, that's a good one, bro. That's a
Yeah, it
walleye.
is. Another walleye. In the bag.
Damn, I should have kept that first one.
We are onto something here, guys.
Well, it looks like the brush hog put in some work.
Yeah. I just really want to try and use new baits right now. Otherwise, I'd use the brush hog. All right.
Release.
Later, man.
Oh! That looked like it was. Oh, yes, fish.
You get the net.
Oh shit, that's a good one.
Nice, Jordan.
Yeah.
Fish number 3
Let's go.
for JB.
What do you call them again? Brush what?
Baby brush hogs.
Baby brush hogs. Decided to get my fresh baby brush hog on.
Hell yeah, huh? That was a fresh one?
Yeah, dude.
Was that your first cast with
I
that?
think might have been the first cast with it, yeah.
That's awesome. I love when that happens.
Get another picture. Another baby.
Do another pick this.
Where's the? Oh, here. I'll do it on my phone.
3. Oh, don't fucking
Hell yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Toss him back in?
Yeah.
You must have followed it.
I know, right?
I seen it go down and then drilled in. It's like it was on.
Yeah, I didn't. He was also real small, so. Fight too hard.
Do you know what you're doing when you hit? Was he like, were you steady reeling or jigging it?
Yeah, I've been kind of steady good.
Hayden, there we go.
Pull him up on this side, bro.
There we go.
You're good.
Nice. Let's weigh him. Thank you, Anthony Longmire, for the scale. We will be weighing this fish.
Has some black marks on him.
Ooh, nice spot. There we go. Let's get him right here.
Not bad.
How much does he weigh?
Where we
3.2?
No, he's
Check it out. Show the camera. Big boy. Let's do this thing. Let's roll it.
turn this thing on. You have to hold it.
You just press it once. There you go. What are you thinking? I'm thinking 3 pounds 7 ounces.
3 pounds exactly.
It looked like she just spawned, which is pretty late.
If I can get this. 215.
Oh, an ounce away from being 3 pounds.
Yeah.
Nice.